Are you in network marketing but struggling to get new people to check out your products or opportunity? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple and easy formula to get floods of new people checking out your information starting today. So keep watching. Hey, my friend, Garrett Berry here again, and on this channel I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales using social media. So if you want more videos like that, be sure to smash that subscribe button below, click that little bell notification so you're always notified of my latest video. So you're in network marketing and you probably understand that the more people you can expose your information to, the more sales and income you can actually make. But how do you invite people in a way that's not salesy, that's not creepy or weird, and that's actually easy and that's duplicatable, right? Over and over and over. Well, I still remember, about 3 or 4 years ago, I was struggling in a network marketing business myself. I was generating some people to talk to every once in a while, but I couldn't actually get them to see my information. I didn't want to come off as pushy, and I was really afraid that, I didn't know how the right way to do it. But what I did was I actually discovered this proven formula by another top leader online by the name of Eric Worre, okay? And he taught this formula, and ever since then, all my students that I share it with, everyone loves this because it's so powerful. So once you take this on board, you'll be able to dramatically expose way more people to your opportunity, your products, than ever before. And the formula works like this. It's 2 words, so it's very simple to remember. It's if, then. Okay, so what that basically means is, if I, then would you? Okay, if I, then would you? So, for example, let's say that you are in a health and fitness company. You want to expose somebody to a product that helps them lose weight. And let's say you're chatting with them and then they say a problem, they say a need. For example, they say, I've been doing okay, I just, I haven't been feeling that great. And you say, oh really, tell me more, why haven't you been feeling great? And let's say they say, well, I've just wanted to be more active, but I just can't find the time to work out. Now let's say you're selling a product that helps them lose weight. Maybe it's a drink they drink that they don't have to work out as much. So this could be a potential prospect for you. Now how do you invite them? Okay, well, if I, then would you? It's this simple. All you want to say is a phrase, something like this. If I could show you a way that you could lose weight and do it without a lot of time, and you would still get the benefits that you want, then would you check it out? If I, then would you? And they're gonna say, yeah. Virtually every single person that you ask that is gonna say yes, if they're interested in losing weight. So you have to find people, the right people, okay? Now this is going into kind of attraction marketing, my formula for attraction marketing, get people attracted to you, which I'll have a card pop up on the video. That's more in depth on how to actually do that. So let me give you another example. Let's say you're selling a product or a service that helps people lower their taxes. Well, how could you invite someone to check that out? Well, what you want to do is, again, find people that are already interested in lowering their taxes. This is the first key to attraction marketing, which, again, be sure to check out that video where I go into in depth how to find the right people and avoid tons of objections like, is this a pyramid scheme and things like that. Once you find the right person, you then want to use the if-then formula. Okay, so for example, you could say, if I could show you a way that you could lower your taxes and you could do it in a way that only took 30 minutes and was, completely automated, would you check it out? If then, okay? Now, of course, with that statement, you want to put in benefits that your product and service actually delivers. I was just making these examples up, but find out what the selling point of your product is in your network marketing business or the opportunity, and then use that in the if-then statement. So if I could show you a way to lower your back pain, then would you try out this thing? If I could do this, then do this, okay? So I hope you can see this is powerful, and this is one of the formulas that I've personally used and my students have used to invite thousands of people to check out our products and services. So now you know how to start inviting people to check out your information in your network marketing business. But where exactly do you find the right people to target in the first place? Well, be sure to grab my free training audio down below, 17 ways to get leads today. On that audio, I reveal 17 different ways to start generating tons of leads, and all of them are very, very simple. So thanks so much for watching, my friend. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends, any business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, comment below, what do you want me to help you with next? I'm putting these videos out consistently, and I want to answer your burning questions. Thanks so much, my friend, and I will catch you on the next video.